On your digital animated layout, open your timeline and zoom to page. Select the object you want to animate and go to the Animation tab. Scale animations are available for intro and outro. Click the scale icon. You can select an ease type and a tween. Then, you can choose the size of the object before it starts growing or shrinking. For instance, if we select 50%, the burger will grow. If we select 150%, it will shrink. You can use the slider to visualize its starting position. Now, head over to the timeline to decide when the animation will start and how long it will last. Lastly, you can customize this animation on different aspect ratios.